They're moving through the region as we touched on at the top of the hour, and this is what it looked like in West Sacramento a little earlier today. Those folks didn't need an umbrella, just some hoodies, but you see the rain falling, kind of drizzly in some parts, but there is definitely a shift in the wind as you take a look down by the river. Dave, it is a refreshing sight, that's for sure.
Absolutely. See those slick roads? And of course, that means we've got obviously rain down here, but snow in the high country. And we'll talk all about it. Let's go ahead and peek here. There's our CalSTRS camera, and that is in West Sacramento. And looking down, trying to see the Tower Bridge, you can see, of course, the raindrops on the lens there. Let's take a look at your numbers and see how we're doing. All right, 57 in Sacramento, still low to mid 60s in the northern San Joaquin Valley, 56 around Marysville. The humidity at this hour is going to be up there at 93%, so we could actually have a little bit of fog to contend with this evening. 55 degrees at the dew point, winds are southwest at 9, barometric pressure actually is steady. And of course, the southwest winds do have some gusts stronger than that, pushing close to 20 to 25 in some spots here in the valley. Let's take a peek here and see what's going on our radar, and you can see it's slowing down, so that means the rainfall rates will increase a little bit because it'll just kind of hang up, but we are getting some light to moderate rain in the northern San Joaquin Valley, just some light rain around the Sacramento area. But do notice up here to the north of Auburn, we're starting to see some darker spots coming in there, and that's a good indication that we actually are going to have that orographic effect where we could end up with maybe 3 to 4 inches of rain as this kind of hangs up here like around Grass Valley, Nevada City, and up along some of those burn scars. And up in the high country, it's finally the snow level starting to drop, getting it down to about possibly 6,500 feet tonight, and then it may go up a little bit for tomorrow. Cooler air should come in behind this, so daytime highs tomorrow are going to be between about 60 and 65 degrees, and then we might not get out of the 60s for the remainder of the week just because this cool pocket of air will be in here. But also notice there's popcorn cloud cover, and that's a good indication of instability, so we'll have a chance for maybe a thunderstorm for tomorrow. The winter storm warning for the west slope above 6,500 feet is going to last all the way to the end of the day tomorrow, and we're hoping maybe 1 to 2 feet of snow up at pass level before this is done, and we'll dry things out and clear things out as we roll on into Thursday. And it's going to be chilly, upper 50s, low 60s on Thursday. So low to mid 60s tomorrow in the northern San Joaquin Valley. Chances some showers there. We have a slight chance for a thunderstorm from about Sacramento to the north, so like I-80 to the north, and temperatures will be in the low 60s. Now for the foothills, you'll have a chance for maybe a thunderstorm. Temperatures will be only in the mid-50s for Jackson and Sonora. And again, it's going to be a wet evening tonight, and you'll have this stuff around for tomorrow. Mid-40s to the upper 50s. This is where you'll have a snow level about 6,500 feet, maybe some thunderstorms. It'll be a pretty good, kind of windy, 10 to 25 there out of the south. And we'll still have some gusts down at the lake, but not like we have seen. But we will have snow up there in the Sierra, snow level probably around 7,000 feet. And again, that's up at pass level and all the way to the top of the mountains. Mid-60s for Monterey tomorrow. And you'll get all the way towards San Francisco. You have a nice sea breeze, and you'll have the wet weather continuing there, at least some showers. Temperatures in the low 60s, mid-60s for Fairfield. 7-day forecast says we're done with it, but we keep it on the cool side, upper 50s and low 60s for the bulk of that 7-day forecast. And here's a look at what's happening. After tomorrow, it looks like everybody is going to be high and dry from the coast all the way up to the Sierra. Tony.